In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay invoices in Bill.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select the right bills, review all the important details, and confidently submit your payments. Let's start on the Bills page where you see your list of outstanding invoices. This is usually organized in a table with vendors, due dates, and amounts. Before you pay anything, it's a good idea to filter the view so you're only looking at approved bills. This helps avoid paying something that hasn't gone through your internal review or that was entered by mistake. Once you've applied your filters, go down the list and check the box next to each invoice you want to pay. Take a moment here to confirm vendor names, due dates, and amounts so you're selecting exactly what you intend to pay. When you've selected all the invoices you want to process in this run, look for the Review and Pay button and click it. Think of this as your final checkpoint before money leaves your bank account. You're not sending anything yet. You're just moving into a detailed confirmation screen. On the Review screen, you'll see several key fields. First is the payment amount. By default, Bill.com will usually populate the full amount of the invoice, but you can adjust this if you're making a partial payment. For example, if you've negotiated to pay half now and half later, just update the amount to reflect that arrangement. Next, choose the Pay From account. This is the bank account or balance you want to use to fund the payment. If your company has multiple accounts, be sure you're selecting the one that matches your cash flow plan or your accounting setup. Then set the process date. This is the date when funds will leave your bank. Bill.com will automatically calculate the estimated arrival date to the vendor based on that process date and the payment method. Use this field to time your payments around due dates and cash availability. You'll also see a memo field. This is optional, but it can be very helpful. Use it to add notes like invoice numbers, project names, or anything that will make it easier for you or your vendor to identify the payment later. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and click Pay or Submit Payments. Bill.com will handle the rest, sending funds electronically through ACH or virtual card when possible, or mailing a paper check if the vendor isn't set up for digital payments. And that's all there is to it.